Little known secret about handstand training. Asterisk secret. Asterisk use a wall walk to build strength and control for handstands. Asterisk how. Asterisk 1. Start in a plank position with your hands shoulder width apart and your feet hip width apart. 2. Slowly walk your feet up the wall, keeping your body straight, until you're in a handstand position against the wall. 3. Hold for 30 seconds to start, and gradually increase your hold time as you build strength and control. 4. Repeat for 3 to 5 sets, resting for 30 seconds between sets. Asterisk benefits. Asterisk builds strength in your arms, shoulders, and core, improves control and balance in handstand position, increases flexibility in your shoulders and spine, helps to overcome fear and build confidence in handstands. Remember to always warm up before training and to listen to your body and take regular breaks to avoid injury. Happy training!